Welcome to the monthly market update on You and Your Money. Here's Leisl Langevin, Senior Vice President and Financial Advisor at Leisl and Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors.
Markets are up, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
But we continue to see economic growth and decelerating inflation. And this has pushed stock market indices to record levels. The long list of worries that plagued the markets last year really have not materialized, which is a good thing. We have seen the Federal Reserve, they've walked a fine line of raising those rates, and they've been able to tame inflation without causing a recession. So kudos to them. Instead, the economy grew faster than almost anyone expected, with job growth is still really strong. Wage growth increased more than inflation, so it's very robust. Business spending is still very strong and remaining stable. And there's lots of excitement around AI, which I know we've talked about on past shows. But stock market indices across the board up on a year-to-date basis. The S&P up almost 8%, Dow up just about 4%, and the NASDAQ up almost 8.5%. On the flip side, though, fixed income and bonds have struggled a bit as people still continue to pile into cash because it's paying some of those higher rates. But with all of that said, there's still some risks out there. We still have the conflict in the Middle East and Ukraine and Russia. We are still waiting on the Fed figuring out when they might start decreasing rates. So that's something that we'll be watching closely. And of course, we have that presidential campaign this year.
I heard about that.
Yeah, so that could cause some uncertainty, and that's really because of the unknown policy. But overall, what does this mean for investors? As we always say, we believe in the long-term capital markets. So as long as you have a diversified investment portfolio, stick to your strategy, stay invested, and it'll prevail over time.
As always, thanks for listening to You and Your Money. Find even more episodes, videos, and other resources at our website, whzwealth.com. Leisl and Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors offers securities and advisory services through Commonwealth Financial Network, member FINRA, SIPC, a registered investment advisor. Fixed insurance products and services offered through CES Insurance Agency. They practice at 697 Pomfret Street, Pomfret Center, Connecticut, 06259, and can be reached at 860-928-2341. Leisl and Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors do not provide legal or tax advice. The tenured financial services team strives to support clients in achieving their financial life goals. For more information regarding wealth management and customized financial planning with Leisl and Zahansky Strategic Wealth Advisors, please visit www.whzwealth.com.